So we're nearly there. And we've got to write data to Firebase using the set method. So to do this, I'm just going to use this up here. Remember, my initial connection to the Firebase. I'm going to say, alright, we want to get ready to push data in this, and we stored all that in a variable called fb_data. So Firebase data dot set, and we want to throw in client_data. We also, when we're finished with submitting all the data, we want to get our cursor to go back into the first box to be ready for the next data. So we want to focus, as known, focus the cursor in the first name input box, if you like. And to do that, we say first name dot focus, and that should work okay for that. So let's have a now click here. Now we put in Brendan. Now don't put in your own email address. Make sure you don't do that. This is, remember, just like for Leaving Cert Computer Science, we don't want any of our own personal details. So hot water not working or something. Submit. Submit clicked. Let's go to Firebase. Oh, no data there. Maybe I've done that on purpose. Join me in the next video to see how we can fix some errors that have occurred in my form.